Hello guys, my name is Attila and in today's video I am going to show you how I have signed 7 roofing clients in March this year. And just to build trust, this is one of the ads of my clients. This is another ads at like $130 per day. This is another ads we are running for roofing $100 a day. And for this client I have achieved 496 conversions. And after we have elaborated on this awkward credibility part, I'm going to show you how I have achieved this success. I have started my marketing agency about a year ago, and in this March I got 7 SMMA clients. Today I am going to talk about why I choose the roofing niche, my client acquisition system, and the best methods for beginners, which is not paid ads and anything like that very expensive where you don't have money for that. Why I choose the roofing niche? It is basically because you can ask more money from clients, because if I bring a customer for my roofing client, I can say that an average roofing job costs around like $10,000, and for example a gym, you bring one member and it is like $50 per month. If he stays for like half a year, it is still like $300 or $400. And I can say that I give so much value to the business that I can ask for much higher retainers per month. How should you start? Like choosing a niche, for example, is really important in the beginning. Like having an offer. For example, I help cleaning businesses get 5 new customers a month, or I help 10 jobs for a roofing business per month. You can position your offer when you are doing outreach. You should select a niche, like which niche are you helping, and you can say that you're an expert on that niche. For example, if I say that I am in the roofing niche and I am an expert in it, I can easily ask for a lot of money from these people. So client acquisition, how should you go about it? You need like a system. I have seen people who are doing client outreaches, and only the people with a client acquisition system are receiving results. What I mean by a client acquisition system, you have like 4 methods of reaching out to people. You have like cold calling, you have Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn DMs, you have email, and you have paid ads, which is really hard for the beginners, because I don't have the money and other people didn't have the money for paid ads. I have chose cold calling in the beginning. The way that I would go is just going roofing Las Vegas, for example, and you like pick up an Excel and you scrape all the leads and the business name, the telephone number and stuff, and you can call them. And you need to keep the data because you are going to see your metrics, like how much people are picking up this phone, how many meetings can you close, and how many people are coming to your meetings. These are really important. You have to keep these metrics. And after you have like set up your little Excel, you have scraped leads or hired like a virtual assistant to scrape the leads for you, or either use a software for scraping leads. For example, there is like one called this lead finder, and with this software you can easily for example Las Vegas, I can search for roofing in Las Vegas, and this is going to give me leads. If you pay for the software, you can have more leads as well. And coming back to cold calling, my system would look like 50 cold calls a day. So it is really not that much in time, because I am actually a fifth year law student, so I don't have really that much time for outreach. But this is the most important thing on the beginning, because if you don't get money coming in to your business cannot survive. You can be the best delivery person, service delivery, you can have best features, automations, and you are still not going to make it if you don't have enough clients to survive. So 50 cold calls a day, meaning if you call like 5 days a week, that is 250 calls a week, which results in 1000 calls a month. And I mean, to be honest, you can make these 50 calls in like, I think, under an hour or something like that, and which results in 1000 calls per month. And for example, if from 1000 calls you are getting like a 2% appointment booking rate, you have 20 meetings. I have actually met with the people in person because they have trusted me more, but I have actually had some online meetings as well, and it is really up to the business owner what they like. And cold calling is the best way as you start out, because it's cheap, it doesn't cost you any money. You can send like emails and stuff, but you need softwares for it. I can recommend you this software, which is called Instantly AI, and I am actually running an email campaign at the moment, but this costs money and it's a bit hard to set up in the beginning, so I recommend cold calling. And when coming to cold calling, I have every time told the business owner that this is like a sales call. I have an offer for your company, and I want to sell you something. Do you have 30 seconds? And usually they just burst out laughing or, haha, yes, sure. And after that, it's like a mini agreement in the brain, and they are going to listen to you. First, you have to catch the attention, and after that, you can present your offer to them. So if you have 20 meetings, if you are just a beginner, even if you close like, let's say, 10% of them, it is going to result in 2 clients in the first month. And this is really just taking control of your actions and putting in the daily work, and in long time you are going to see like improvement in your sales, and you are going to close at like 25%. And if you put the work in, the 1000 calls, with 25% closing rate, you can reach like 5 clients 1 month, and this is really great. And after you have achieved the trust with them, they have come to your meeting, I always tell them that I have a whole system built out just for them. I nurture the leads for them, so it's a done for you service. I use Go High Level for it, and I am usually making them a funnel for their offer. Let me show you one. This is just a basic funnel for one of my clients. He's Hungarian, so this is why it's not in English. As you can see, there is like a form, a survey, there are like call buttons, reviews, pictures of his work, and frequently asked questions, and yeah, that's it. That's what I do for the clients. When I go in person, I show them this, and I also tell them that they don't have to do anything, just get in a contact with the new leads, and I give them exclusive leads and qualified. I have seen that a lot of big companies like selling leads to these small businesses, not just roofing, to other businesses too, and these leads are not qualified. They send it to like 5 to 10 companies and the lead quality is really bad. So you can differ from those companies with a service like this. And yeah, I mean, client acquisition is really simple. It's not easy, but simple. If you break down the math, you just have to put in the daily work and you are going to see results. And I have seen a lot of agency owners who are just not putting in the work. That's why they struggle to get clients, because in the beginning you are like a startup and you need like 4 hours a day that people get to know your stuff. You either do organic traffic on YouTube, or you can do TikTok, Instagram, but I really recommend cold outreaching, because that's the best way, the fastest way if you need money, and if you're a beginner in the online space. This is how I did it. And this is the today's video, and I really hope that you liked it. If you are interested, I'm going to make how to deliver services for Google Ads and Facebook Ads. I actually running them both for my clients. And yeah, subscribe, like, and share with your friends.